What a perfect day for an adventure ride. Shh. Listen to those birds. This forest is singing. Whoa, this tree is blocking everything. No space at all. I need a smart plan. Too heavy for just paws. My tractor can pull it slow and steady. Shh. Nice. Strong rope, safe knots. Tight knot, no slipping today. All lined up. Pull direction is safe. Slow, steady, just like practice. Yes, move a little, keep going. No jerks, just gentle power. Trail is clear, nice and safe. All packed, ready to roll again. Adventure continues. Thanks, smart thinking. That sounded like someone crying. I'm coming. Easy, slow wheels, keep it safe. Hey, little one, I'm here. Where's your mom?
Mom fell in. She can't get out.
Don't struggle hard, ma'am. Save your energy. Baby, stand back on dry ground, okay?
You stay right here where it's dry. I'll pull your mom out, slow and safe.
Okay. Please help her.
I'll tie this where it won't hurt. Then we pull gently. There, comfy and secure. Tell me if it feels too tight. It's okay, thank you. Everyone stay back from the rope line. This is the safe zone. Great! Now push your feet. Slowly, we'll do it in steps.
I can feel the edge. Keep it steady. You're doing amazing. One more careful pull.
You're nice.
Thank you. You saved me.
Mom, you're safe.
Any sharp pain? Try 2 slow steps for me.
I'm sore, but I'm okay. All done. Rope away. No tripping hazards.
This mud pit is too close to the trail. We should make it safer. Dry soil first, then leaves. Make a safer edge. That will help others see. Thank you. Okay, this path edge is safer now. Let's head back carefully.
Thank you, brave squirrel. The forest can be tricky. Travel slowly and watch the ground.
All right, back to exploring, nice and safe.
Safe trail, happy tail.
A little help can change the whole forest path. Slow power, steady climb. We've got this! Wow, the forest is huge, and we made it safer today. I'll keep the trail safe, one good deed at a time.
What a refreshing morning. This breeze sounds like music. Huh? Did the ground just move?
Whoa! What is this beautiful thing?
It tickles my hair. You're strange, but you seem friendly. Let's get you somewhere warm. I found something incredible!
A soft bed for a special guest.
Warmth helps little ones grow.
There. There. Comfy and safe.
Rest here, little mystery.
I'll look after you. Good morning, Sparkly Cocoon.
Good morning, sparkly cocoon.
You're getting stronger. I can feel it.
Oh, something's happening. Whoa, look at that! It's really starting to crack open. I wonder what it is. You can do it! I'm right here! Hey, right here! Yeah, okay!
A Babel? A Babo dragon!
Whoa! That was a big breeze for such a tiny dragon. I think you and I are going to be great friends. This is your home now, little breeze buddy.
Perfect wind speed.
The strawberries will love this breeze. You're a natural farm helper.
Small breeze first, then bigger. Okay, maybe a little less turbo. Ready for a fun slide? Best slide ever! From now on, we're a special pair. Good night, my little wind star.
These cabbages look so healthy today.
Our garden is shining.
Let me check this one closely. I'll watch the row with you.
What are these shiny trails?
Oh no! Snails!
They're nibbling the leaves. If we wait too long, this whole row could suffer.
We need a gentle solution. Let's protect the cabbages without hurting them.
Yes, we can move them safely.
We'll need trays and safe supplies.
I'm right with you.
Plastic trays, perfect.
A natural barrier. This will help.
Just a thin, safe layer. Nothing harsh.
I brought the wheelbarrow.
Great thinking. Trays, husks, lime, everything we need.
Let's save the cabbages.
We're back!
Let's work carefully.
We'll collect them gently into these. No squishing, no harm. Easy there, little one. We'll take you somewhere better. I found a few hiding down here.
Great teamwork.
We're almost done with this section.
They'll be happier somewhere moist and wild.
Support them gently, no tugging. Got it. Soft and slow.
That was the last one, Mikey.
Great job.
Now we'll make a friendly do not cross line.
The husks first. A light ring is enough.
It looks like a tiny fence.
Only a little. Safe for the garden.
A soft, smart barrier. No snails will want to crawl over that.
Exactly. Gentle but effective.
Let's move them to a better home. Somewhere cool and grassy. This spot feels perfect for them.
Far from the cabbages, close to nature.
There you go, little friends. Enjoy your new home. The fence still looks neat.
Let's keep monitoring.
They're recovering beautifully.
We protected them without hurting anyone. We can guard our plants and respect small creatures. Kind farming is the best farming.
Teamwork, work.
Gentle genius. Our cabbages are safe and growing strong.
And our tiny friends are safe too.
Our Napa cabbage garden looks amazing today.
No pests yet. Everything looks perfect. The cabbages will love this soft soil. What should we do now, Monkey?
I'll get something gentle to scare them away.
Monkey! Look! There are so many!
Hey, little grasshoppers, stop! Please leave our cabbages alone.
A little visitor.
If we don't stop them, our whole crop will be ruined.
The leaves are so big now, Monkey. They just keep jumping around. A little water and cabbage smell should send them away without hurting them. Stay here and watch the garden. I'll be right back. They're leaving, Monkey. It's working.
Great job, partner. They won't bother our cabbages now.
Just a light shower to tell them this is our garden. Let's see how our cabbages are doing today.
We'll scare them off gently. You spray with me.
They're so big and healthy again.
Our hard work paid off.
All tired, but we saved the garden.
Harvest time! Let's fill these baskets.
We have so many to sell.
Thank you for supporting our farm.
They look so fresh. Everyone will love them.
Let's sell them at the market and see what we earn.
We sold almost everything.
Now let's make delicious kimchi.
It smells so good already.
Time for a first taste and a little celebration.
Thanks to being smart, patient, and working together, we protected our crops, had fun, and now we can celebrate our harvest.
Monkey, I found a mist sprayer too.
Perfect! Let's use them together.
What a perfect morning for harvesting sugarcane.
Let's make the best sugar in the village.
Handbrake on, we're here. The cane looks so tall and ready. Ready for a big harvest, Rabbit?
Absolutely. Let's get to work.
The cane is tall.
First, we get our tools ready.
Everything looks safe and tidy.
See? This cutter is all plastic and rounded, totally safe.
Great! Kids could use one just like that to pretend.
Let's start with this row.
I'll keep the cart closed.
I'll keep the field tidy.
Perfect. Clean cane makes better sugar. We tie them in bundles so they're easy to carry.
And they won't roll off the cart. We tie them in bundles so they're easy to carry.
And they won't roll off the cart.
One bundle at a time, nice and stable.
I'll hold it so nothing tips over.
This cart is full already.
You're doing great. Almost back to the truck. Up you go, nice and straight. I'll bring the next bundle right away. Look at that, full of sweet sugar cane.
All ready for the sugar factory.
Next stop, the sugar factory.
I can't wait to see the machines.
There it is, our sugar factory.
It looks so professional.
Look, all the dirt is washing away.
Clean cane makes beautiful sugar.
We're getting lots of juice today.
Write it down so we know our record. It's like liquid sunshine.
Soon it will become shiny sugar crystals. The machines cook the juice for us. No one gets too close.
Everything is safe and automatic here. It's getting thicker and thicker.
That means we're close to making sugar crystals.
Look, the crystals are growing. It's like watching snow appear. They're almost dry and sparkly.
Perfect texture for packing. 1 scoop, 2 scoops, just right.
I'll line up the next bag. Our sugar needs a special farm label.
Now everyone will know it's from us.
Let's pack the boxes so nothing shakes around.
All snug and secure.
Now we bring our sugar to the village.
I hope everyone loves the taste.
Let us get these boxes onto the shelves.
I'll help carry them in. These shelves look beautiful now. Our sugar is ready for everyone to see.
These shelves look beautiful now.
Our sugar is ready for everyone to see. They're choosing our sugar.
All our hard work is in those bags. From the field to the shelf, we did it!
A sweet ending to a hard-working day.